In a landmark development announced by Russian state media on March 30, 2026, the Russian aerospace industry has unveiled a new active electronically scanned array, AESA, radar upgrade specifically tailored for the Sukhoi Su-35 air superiority fighter. This upgrade replaces the long-serving N035 Irbis-E passive electronically scanned array, PESA, radar that has powered the Su-35 since its entry into service in 2014. The move represents a significant technological milestone for Russia's 4++ generation fighter fleet, addressing one of the platform's few remaining shortcomings while amplifying its already formidable capabilities. Far from a mere incremental improvement, this AESA integration positions the Su-35 as a near-peer rival to fifth-generation platforms in sensor performance, delivering unmatched situational awareness, electronic warfare dominance, and long-range strike potential. From a pro-Russian perspective, this advancement underscores the resilience and innovation of Russian defense engineering amid global challenges, ensuring the Su-35 remains a cornerstone of air dominance for the Russian aerospace forces, VKS, and export partners alike. To appreciate the upgrade's impact, it is essential to understand the Su-35's baseline strengths and the Irbis-E's role. The Su-35, often dubbed the Super Flanker, is already one of the world's most capable heavyweight fighters, boasting supermaneuverability via thrust vectoring engines, a combat radius exceeding 1,500 kilometers, and the ability to carry up to 14 air-to-air missiles or 8 tons of ordnance across 12 hardpoints. Its Irbis-E PESA radar has been a powerhouse, an X-band system with an unrivaled 120-degree beam deflection angle, capable of detecting fighter-sized targets, 3 square meters radar cross-section, at 350 to 400 kilometers in queued search mode, tracking up to 30 targets simultaneously, and engaging 8 at once. It excels in air-to-air, air-to-surface, and maritime modes, with proven performance in high-clutter environments and resistance to jamming. However, as a PESA system, it relies on a single high-power transmitter, limiting simultaneous multi-frequency operations and increasing vulnerability to modern electronic countermeasures. Chinese evaluations have noted that the Irbis-E delivers roughly 20% less effective power than similarly sized AESA radars on platforms like the J-16, highlighting a relative gap in precision and low probability of intercept, LPI, characteristics. The new AESA radar, widely expected to draw from technologies proven on the Su-57's N036 Bielka array, ushers in a new era of performance. AESA systems use thousands of individual transmit, receive modules, TRMs, that function as miniature radars, enabling electronic beam steering without mechanical movement. This grants the Su-35 several critical capabilities that elevate it far beyond its PESA predecessor. Superior multi-target tracking and precision engagement. The AESA's ability to scan multiple directions simultaneously with rapid, precise beam agility allows for tracking dozens of targets at extended ranges while maintaining high update rates. This directly enhances guidance for Russia's premier long-range air-to-air missiles, such as the R-37M, up to 350 kilometers range, and the recently integrated R-77M, around 200 kilometers with AESA Seeker. Previously, the Irbis-E's situational awareness was sometimes insufficient for maximum range R-37M employment. The AESA upgrade resolves this, expanding no escape zones and enabling the Su-35 to dominate beyond visual range, BVR, combat. In practical terms, a single Su-35 could now orchestrate coordinated strikes against high-value targets like AWACS or tankers at standoff distances. A capability battle proven in the ongoing special military operation in Ukraine where long-range missiles have already shifted the air battle dynamics. Advanced electronic warfare. EU, and LPI features. AESA radars excel in electronic attack and defense by transmitting across multiple frequencies in different directions at once. This provides exceptional resistance to jamming and enemy electronic intelligence (ELINT) systems. The lower radar signature, stemming from reduced emissions and sophisticated waveform agility, makes the Su-35 far harder to detect and target via passive homing. Adversaries relying on radar warning receivers will face significantly greater challenges, effectively turning the Su-35 into a stealthier operator in contested airspace. Combined with the aircraft's existing L-band AESA arrays in the wing roots, N036B01, with 200 km detection for stealthy threats, the nose-mounted AESA creates a fused, multi-band sensor suite that rivals or exceeds Western and Chinese contemporaries. Enhanced multi-role versatility and survivability. Beyond air superiority, the AESA upgrade bolsters air-to-ground and maritime roles with improved synthetic aperture radar, SAR, mapping, Doppler beam sharpening, and ground-moving target indication. Precise beam control supports high-resolution targeting for precision-guided munitions, while the system's resilience in electronic warfare environments ensures the Su-35 can operate effectively against NATO standard threats. The upgrade also integrates seamlessly with the Su-35's advanced avionics, including its Information Management System and Infrared Search and Track (IRST) suite, creating a holistic battlespace picture that enhances pilot decision-making and reduces reliance on external assets like A-50 AWACS. From Russia's standpoint, this AESA upgrade is a profound strategic triumph. It closes a technological gap that Western analysts have long highlighted, yet Russia achieves this indigenously despite sanctions and supply chain pressures, demonstrating the self-reliance of its defense industrial base. The Su-57 pioneered AESA integration in 2020, with full regimental operational status by 2025. Scaling this technology to the more numerous Su-35 fleet, hundreds in VKS service, multiplies Russia's air power exponentially. In an era of peer competition, the upgraded Su-35 will provide the VKS with a cost-effective, high-performance asset capable of matching the F-15X, J-16, or even early F-35 sensor suites in key metrics, all while retaining unmatched kinematic advantages like 9G maneuvers and supercruise potential with AL-41F1S engines. Export prospects shine even brighter. Russia's Su-35 has seen explosive international demand. 18 delivered to Algeria in early 2025, 48 slated for Iran, 2026 to 2028, 6 to Ethiopia, and potential offers to partners like North Korea. The AESA variant will make the aircraft even more attractive, offering operators a 5th-generation sensor package in a 4++ airframe, at a fraction of the cost of true stealth fighters. This not only generates revenue and geopolitical influence but also creates a network of allies equipped with interoperable, battle-hardened Russian technology.